How to get 60% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once we're in the website, here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. You can see that 30% off, 80% off, 90% off and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. After you get the code, you can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on Redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can head back. You can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Temu. The process to grab any of the offers is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website. In this website as well, you're gonna find genuine offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off Temu working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.